Welcome to our video on the 5 delicious snack foods that clear clogged arteries and lower blood sugar. High blood sugar is more than just a number. It can seriously damage your blood vessels, increase inflammation, and lead to heart disease. In fact, consistently high blood sugar levels can double your risk of heart disease. On the flip side, poor heart health can make it even tougher to manage your blood sugar, leading to increased insulin resistance and a vicious cycle of health issues. But here's some good news. Certain foods are packed with nutrients that not only protect your heart, but also help regulate your blood sugar. These snacks can be both tasty and beneficial, offering a guilt-free way to support your overall health. Before we start our countdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and updates. Now, let's jump into our list of the 5 delicious snack foods that clear clogged arteries and lower blood sugar. Starting off our list at number 5 are nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a powerhouse duo when it comes to heart and metabolic health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, along with seeds like chia and flax seeds, are more than just crunchy snacks. They're packed with nutrients that can help clear your arteries and manage your blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds are rich in unsaturated fats, which are known for their ability to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries and preventing atherosclerosis, the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Walnuts, in particular, are high in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve arterial function. Additionally, they're loaded with dietary fiber, which is essential for blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in nuts and seeds forms a gel-like substance in the gut, slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. It also promotes a feeling of fullness, helping you avoid overeating, which can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that the combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in nuts and seeds makes them powerful allies in the fight against heart disease and high blood sugar. Nuts and seeds are also a great source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can damage the lining of your arteries and lead to the progression of heart disease. Vitamin E, found in abundance in almonds and sunflower seeds, specifically helps protect the arterial walls from the harmful effects of free radicals, ensuring your arteries remain flexible and clear. Another key component of nuts and seeds is plant sterols, which resemble cholesterol but work to block its absorption in the intestines. This can lead to a significant reduction in overall cholesterol levels, further supporting heart health. Enjoy nuts and seeds as a snack on their own, or they can be added to salads for extra crunch, or sprinkled over yogurt or oatmeal. You can also blend them into smoothies or use nut butters as a dip for fruit or vegetables. Coming in at number 4 is a snack that's delicious and surprisingly beneficial for your heart. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly the kind with 70% or more cocoa content, can be a heart-healthy indulgence. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, especially a type called flavonols, which have been shown to support heart health. These compounds help improve blood vessel function by promoting the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes the blood vessels and improves blood flow. Better blood flow lessens the strain on the heart and lowers blood pressure, which is critical for maintaining clear arteries. Dark chocolate also has a low glycemic index, meaning it causes a slower rise in blood sugar compared to other sugary snacks. Additionally, the flavonoids in dark chocolate have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, so your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. A study in the journal Current Research in Food Science found that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may help reduce the risk of insulin resistance and can lead to improved endothelial function, which is important for maintaining healthy arteries. Aside from its physical health benefits, Dark chocolate also contains compounds that can boost your mood and improve cognitive function. The caffeine and theobromine found in cocoa can enhance alertness and concentration, while the release of serotonin induced by chocolate can improve mood. Aim for a small piece of high-quality dark chocolate as a snack or dessert. You can also add dark chocolate chips to yogurt, mix them into trail mix, or enjoy them with a handful of nuts for a satisfying and heart-healthy snack. At number 3 on our list are berries, specifically blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to both heart health and blood sugar regulation. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them vibrant colors. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which contributes to heart disease. By neutralizing free radicals, anthocyanins protect your arteries from oxidative damage, keeping them clear and flexible. Berries are also a top choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. They're naturally low in calories and high in fiber, which slows down digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Another notable benefit of berries is their high vitamin C content, a nutrient that supports the health of your blood vessels by strengthening their walls and reducing blood pressure. Vitamin C also plays a role in collagen production, which is important for maintaining healthy skin and connective tissues. A study in the journal Nutrients found that the combination of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins in berries makes them a powerful food for maintaining heart health and controlling blood sugar levels. Another significant benefit of berries is their anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease and insulin resistance, so consuming anti-inflammatory foods like berries can benefit your overall health. Blueberries, for example, have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation and improve the function of the lining of your blood vessels. Enjoy berries as a snack on their own, or add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Add them as a topping for salads or desserts, adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals. You can also bake them into healthy desserts or freeze them for a cool, refreshing treat on a hot day. Sliding into number 2 is avocado, a creamy and versatile fruit that's incredibly beneficial for your heart and blood sugar levels. While avocados are often enjoyed as part of meals, they also make for a delicious and satisfying snack. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which reduces inflammation and lowers bad cholesterol levels. This frees the arteries from plaque buildup, reducing the risk of heart disease. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has also shown that people who consume avocados regularly tend to have higher levels of HDL cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the arteries. Avocados can also stabilize blood sugar levels with their low carbohydrate and high fiber content, promoting slow digestion and steady release of sugar into the bloodstream. They are also packed with potassium, which helps counteract the effects of sodium in the body by promoting relaxation of the blood vessels, decreasing fluid retention, and further aiding in the prevention of hypertension. Avocados also have essential vitamins, including vitamins C, E, K, and a variety of B vitamins, each contributing to overall health and well-being. These nutrients support everything from immune function to skin health, making avocados an exceptional addition to your daily diet. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that regular consumption of avocados lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, coronary heart disease, and improves blood sugar control. Another benefit of avocados is that they contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are essential for eye health. These compounds help protect against vision problems like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Enjoy avocados as a snack by spreading them on whole grain toast, blending them into smoothies, or using them as a base for guacamole. You can also slice them up and add them to salads, or simply enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Topping our list at number 1 is oats. While oats are often associated with breakfast, they also make for a hearty and filling snack. Oats are rich in a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This type of fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This helps lower total cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, keeping them clear and healthy. In addition, the soluble fiber in oats slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, promoting satiety and stable glucose levels throughout the day. Oats are not just about fiber. They're also a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. They contain magnesium, which plays a critical role in insulin secretion and glucose metabolism, leading to the regulation of blood sugar levels. They are also high in iron, which supports healthy blood cells, and manganese, which is important for bone health and metabolism. A study published in the journal Current Opinion in Food Science found that beta-glucan is mainly responsible for decreasing serum cholesterol and lowering the risk of heart disease. Oats also contain unique antioxidants, known as avenanthramides, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help protect the heart by reducing the oxidative stress that can lead to artery damage. Avenanthramides, just like flavonols, promote the production of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow. Enjoy oats as a snack by preparing overnight oats, baking them into granola bars, or mixing them with yogurt and fresh fruit. They're also a great base for energy balls, or can be blended into smoothies to boost fiber and nutrition. And there you have it, the 5 delicious snack foods that clear clogged arteries and lower blood sugar. From the crunchy goodness of nuts and seeds to the sweet satisfaction of dark chocolate, the vibrant burst of berries, the creamy richness of avocado, and the hearty comfort of oats, these snacks offer a range of flavors and textures that make healthy eating both enjoyable and simple. Whether you're looking to prevent heart disease, manage diabetes, or simply make healthier snack choices, these foods are a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of the delicious snack foods we mentioned in this video? Share your experiences and any other natural health tips in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. Also, check out our exclusive merch to keep you inspired on your health journey. Stay tuned for more health and wellness content. And as always, take care and eat well.